uniform motion and non-uniform motion. To understand uniform and non-uniform motion, let's take one example. Look at this table. This is the distance covered by a car A. We can see that in 0 seconds it covers 0 meters. In 5 seconds it covers 10 meters. In 10 seconds it covers 20 meters and so on. Or we can say that in every 5 seconds it covers 10 meters. It travels equal distances in equal intervals of time. Hence it is in uniform motion. Look at car B now. Car B covers 5 meters in 5 seconds, 15 meters in 10 seconds, 20 meters in 15 seconds. We have seen that the car B does not cover equal distances in equal intervals of time. Therefore, it is in non-uniform motion.